Okay, we're going to be beginning our color wheel. So you're going to see this. Remember, this is where your artwork is, your folder. You're going to pull out the folder, whatever number I tell. You're going to open the folder and you're going to find a color wheel for every student. Please return the folder back here. Your color wheel has a spot for your name. So on the other side, make sure whoever is in charge of supplies, keep the crown, not the pencil, and you're going to write your name where it says name. That is with the crown that matches your table, not with the pencil. Then return all those crowns back to that cup. This is going to be moved out of the way. Next, I will tell your supply manager to go to the back counter and grab our paint. So your paint is going to look a little different in the tray. You have this little ice cube tray with a cover that has our primary colors. So just put that top off to the side. Keep this on the tray. And then again, if I tell you who is in charge of making sure everybody's got the pencils, paintbrushes, just dump them out in the tray so you don't have to touch them. Everyone's going to have a green-handled brush today. Please remember our danger zone is the metal part and the hair. We do not want to put our fingers here. There's a gripper and a handle for our hands. This area is where the paint goes. Also, the hair, the more we touch the hair, the more we ruin his hairdo. So if you are looking at your color wheel, you can find the 3 colors I have on here. Blue, red, yellow. Repeat after me. Blue, red, yellow. Make sure you know where those 3 spots are. This is where we're going to paint our primary colors. Blue, red, yellow are the 3 colors that create all the other colors in the color wheel. Let me say that again. These 3 colors, red, yellow, blue, are the 3 colors that create all the other colors of the color wheel. You only will have these 3 as we fill in the whole wheel. Now, we're going to start with what you see. Always start with the lightest color first. So we'll paint yellow, then we'll wipe it off. Red, wipe it off. Blue, wipe it off. When you are wiping off your tippy, please make sure you are going back and forth, back and forth. You should not be stabbing, bouncing, or pushing his hair to look like a wheel. So, again, start with the lightest, which is yellow, wipe it off, red, wipe it off, and blue. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then you're going to copy. Okay, so again, make sure, because if you saw, I almost went to purple when I was doing red. So be aware, take your time, get those 3 colors on your color wheel. Now, we're going to move to secondary colors. This is where we're going to be doing the double dip. This is your green, purple, and orange. Now, what colors do I double dip, Miss Lawson? It's all right in front of you. The answers are in your wheel. So everybody take your finger. Let's point to orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. Take your other, put your brush on your mat. Take your other finger, point to orange. You should have 2 fingers pointing to orange. Take your left, go up. What color are you pointing at? Take your right finger, go over. What color are you pointing at? Yellow and red make orange. Yellow and red make orange. So your color wheel tells you what 2 colors to double dip. Again, look at your 2. Which one is the lightest? And here it's yellow. So you'll dip yellow first, then red, then we'll mix to orange. Again, point to purple. Put 2 fingers on purple. If you are pointing purple and you move up, you hit blue. You move down, you hit red. So here, red is your lightest. Red, then blue. Make purple. Red, then blue. Make purple. If you move to green, go up, you hit blue. Go down, you hit yellow. So again, lightest, you're going to do yellow, blue, make green. Yellow, blue, make green. So again, all the answers are right here in front of you. You just look at what's on the left or what's on the right. You put those together. So let's go ahead. Again, I'm going to show you the first dip, then I'll rush through the other, and then you will copy me. Double dip, make sure your paintbrush is straight up and down. We don't stir. We don't scoop. You don't go back and forth like a ping pong. So if I'm doing yellow, then red, again, watch me carefully. I go down, up, move over, down, up, move over to orange, mix on the paper. Now, our paintbrush is not going to be really super clean because we are wiping it, but it gets the idea. Okay, again, wipe it off. We're doing a double dip. Let's do purple. I'm going to do red, then blue. Straight up and down. Down, up, move over, down, up. Blue didn't get on there. This blue's a little thick. Move to purple. Now, here's what I noticed. If I notice that my purple looks a little too red, which it does, I'm going to clean my brush off. I'm going to go back and just a little bit of blue, which is the opposite of what I need, what it is, and add it on top. If your purple is too blue, wipe it off and add red. Okay, last double dip. Making green, yellow, then blue. So get your paintbrush straight up and down, up, then mix. Okay, wipe it off. So now we've made our 3 primary, red, yellow, blue, and our 3 secondary, green, purple, orange. Now, next time we come together, we are going to fill in what we call the tertiary colors, which are taking a primary, like yellow, and a secondary, like orange, and making it. So this one right here would be yellow, orange. So not only do you have to have your primary, but you have to mix your secondary and then put in a little more primary on top. So it's going to take us a little longer to go through the blank spots. So today, once we're done, make sure that your brush goes in the orange bucket where the soap is. That's on you. This is just going to stay on your tray. Make sure that someone takes the top of your paint, snaps it on there, leaves it on the tray, and walks the tray back to the back counter. Then you will be getting up and you will be walking your paint mat and your artwork to the drying area to get your paint mat on the cart, your paper on the drying rack. So please make sure you are all working on cleaning up.